Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check restricted messages in Messenger, and all we have to do is to launch our Messenger application. From there, in the case that we wanted to restrict a message, all we have to do is to long press on the chat. From there, we are going to tap on restrict. Then we're going to tap on restrict again. From there, if you wanted to find where that restrict is, all you have to do is to tap on the three lines, and then we are going to tap on the gear icon, and then tap on privacy and safety, and then I went to tap on restricted accounts. From there, we can see the person that we have restricted. Remember that we can decide to actually unrestrict them or just leave them there. But for me, I'm going to unrestrict them, and I'm going to tap on this icon. Then we're going to tap on unrestrict. From there, once we go back to our messages, we can be able to spot them here. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.